आत्मा मालिक एजुकेशन न्यूज चैनल गुरुकुल शिक्षा समय के साथ।
आत्मा मालिक मित्रांनो, एमी न्यूज चॅनल गुरुकुल शिक्षा समय के साथ साथ आपलं सर्वांचं मनपूर्वक हार्दिक स्वागत। परमपूज्य आत्मा मालिक माऊलींच्या चरणी अनंत कोटी भावसुमन समर्पित। मित्रांनो, कोरोना पार्श्वभूमीवर आत्मा मालिक शैक्षणिक संकुलामध्ये शिक्षण परिषद सुरू आहे। आत्मा मालिक इंग्लिश मीडियम गुरुकुल कोकमठाण प्राचार्य माणिक जाधव सर आपल्यासमोर इंग्रजी माध्यमाच्या शाळा कशा असणार आहेत, लाईव्ह स्कूल याबद्दलच्या संकल्पना स्पष्ट करतायत। तर चला जाऊया शिक्षण परिषदेमध्ये।
Atma Malik. So the routine for the students for this live education, that is online education, early in the morning, as per the routine of our Atma Malik Educational and Sports Complex, in the school students, they had the reveille at 5:30 a.m. So it will be continued in the same way. We extend it to 6 a.m. in the morning, that all the students, they will have the reveille at 6 a.m. till 6:30. They will have their brushing as well as taking wash, and 6:30 to 7:30 they will have an online class of yoga, common mass PT, pranayam, as well as meditation. This will go on till 7:30. After 7:30, students, they will have their bath, have breakfast, and exactly at 8:30 they will be ready for an common assembly, which will have all the aspects of assembly, including the national anthem, the daily prayer, the pledge, and as well as essential information from the principal. At 9 a.m., the daily classes will begin. In this daily classes, each and every standard, each and every class will have 3 periods. One period will be of 1 hour each, and it will be of 3 different subjects. So these 3 hours of education will be provided to you from your eminent teachers. They are going to create such an atmosphere of classroom teaching on online basis, though you are at home. It will be a class of interaction. It will be a class of watching each other. It will be a class as if you are sitting with your classmates together and you are attending a class. So 9 to 12, this is a period for online classes. 3 subjects, 1 hour each, the classes will be conducted. After 12 o'clock, students, they can have their lunch at home. 1 to 3, they can have complete rest. But at the same time, Atma Malik English Medium Gurukul has also taken this opportunity to give some benefit of online coaching for the students of standard 5th, standard 8th, and standard 10th in between 1:30 p.m. to 3 p.m. For standard 5th and standard 8th, we are going to provide online coaching of scholarship classes. As well as for standard 10th, we will be providing online coaching of National Talent Search Examination. It will include a period every day, extra period every day. It is mainly for the students of standard 5th, standard 8th, and standard 10th only. It will include 4 different subjects, and every day one subject will be considered. The subjects are mainly English, maths, science, and IT. So every day they will have an extra lecture in between 1:30 to 3 o'clock. After this lecture, students, they can have their daily snacks, they can have their wash, and in between 4 to 5, students are going to get the benefit of attending the various activity classes which will be conducted by exceptional coaches, well-trained teachers who are well versed in the field of arts, music, drama, etc. Here, this is the total routine of a day. Though you are at home, still you can make your school as home and you can be in the process of education. We have appointed eminent teachers who are well versed for this online teaching. My dear all students, I would like to intimate you that along with this online teaching, Atma Malik Educational and Sports Complex as well as the management of Vishwatmak Jangli Maharaj Ashram Trust has also provided an educational app to each and every student at home. This educational app is in collaboration with Navnit Publications. The name of the app is Top Scorer app, and it is going to provide the offline education for each and every student as per the class as well as per the subjects. So you are going to have two benefits. You will have the benefit of live teaching as well as you will also have the benefit of this educational app. Whatever you learn, you acquire in live classes, it can be revised on this educational app. A weekly timetable has been formed for each and every class, for each and every subject. This online teaching timetable will be provided to each and every student on the WhatsApp group. Your class teacher is going to provide you that copy. Go through that copy, see which periods you have for the day. It's a permanent weekly timetable. So you will get that online teaching timetable on the WhatsApp group, basically from your class teacher. The role of the student in this online teaching is very important. You should be the first to maintain your interest to be a part of this online teaching. You are being given a routine which you have to follow very properly. And if you follow the routine, I sincerely feel that the break in education, the gap which has been created due to the pandemic of corona in the process of education, you will not have to suffer because of it. Being an English medium school, my dear all students, you must remember that we are in the process of education along with a separate language which we have to study and we have to learn. If you are going to go out of the process of education, that is going to hamper your progress later. So your role is very important, that you need to keep yourself in the process of education by following the norms of the routines which we have created for you. A word to all the parents. My dear all parents, remember that as we are in the concept of online teaching, your child, your ward is going to play his role to be in the process of this online teaching. Your role as a parent, that you need to give every support to your child to be in the process of this online teaching. The support in case of providing him all the essential things which are essential for him for online learning. The space, the time space which is to be provided to your child, that is important. So, I expect that the parents will provide their every support in this case. Class teacher is actually going to be in touch with your ward. My dear students, that remember that you are going to be in touch with your class teacher. If you have any suggestion, if you have any queries, do share them with your class teachers. Class teachers will provide you every solution for your problem. So, I hope that the total process of online teaching is being understood by you. We are going to start it from 5th of June. So, it will be a good experience for the students, parents as well as the teachers to be a part of this online teaching. So, you are going to be there on 5th of June. And from you, I would like to intimate that up till now, your friends, those who have not yet joined the WhatsApp group of your class, do intimate them to join the WhatsApp group through your class teacher and try to give this message to all the students of your class that we need to be a part of this online classroom teaching. And a very important thing for the sake of the parents, that those parents, those who have not yet paid the last year's fees, as you all know that we have already declared the result of the academic year 2019 and 20 on the parent module of the eCampus software and solutions. We request all the parents to get their fees paid of the last academic year, and we request you, considering the situation of Corona, to pay it in small installments, slowly, gradually, on the account number which is provided to you of the school. And after you pay, don't forget to call your class teacher or to call the clerks, the official staff of our school, to get confirmation that your payments are being done. Secondly, about the fees of this academic year, a solution has already been given by the Honorable Management of Vishwatmak Jangli Maharaj Ashram Trust. The concessions in the fees related with the hostel as well as the bus as well as for day scholars is also being given by the management of Vishwatmak Jangli Maharaj Ashram Trust. So whatever concessions you have got, I will request you to put those concessions, that amount, in making all the aspects of online education available for your child. As well as the new admission process is already in continuation. The students around you, in your neighborhood, your relatives, those who wish to take new admissions, new admission process is available on www.atmamalikonline.com. Do intimate the students who wish, the parents who wish to take admission in Atma Malik English Medium Gurukul for the academic year 2020-21. Do intimate to visit our website and carry out the process of online admission. So, my dear all students, my dear all parents, we really miss you all. But now the time has come that we are going to meet each other through the process of online teaching. And I wish you all the best for this academic year 2020-21, and let us all hope that we need to take all care during the pandemic of Corona, but we must also learn to live with Corona. And with this, I end up, and I welcome you all for
तर मित्रांनो, मला वाटतं आपल्याला आपल्या विभागाची संपूर्ण माहिती आपले गुरुकुलाच्या प्राचार्यांमार्फत मिळालेली असेल. अजूनही ज्या विद्यार्थ्यांनी AME न्यूज चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब केलं नसेल त्यांनी ते करा आणि कोरोना काळामध्ये आपल्या आत्मामालिक शैक्षणिक संकुलाचे अपडेट सतत मिळवत राहा. AME न्यूज चॅनल, गुरुकुल शिक्षा समय के साथ साथ आत्मामालिक. धन्यवाद.